Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Openpay Payment Acquire in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module integrates your business with Openpay Payment Gateway, allowing you to accept secure real-time payments from customers worldwide. With its user-friendly interface, it supports multiple payment methods, ensuring convenience for the clients. Perfect for e-commerce, subscription and services, Openpay makes transaction efficient, reliable and hassle-free. So for that, we will go into the website. Here under configuration, we will find an option for payment provider. In here, we can see one option as Openpay. You need to enable this payment provider. You can enable or disable it from here. You need to add merchant ID and secret key for the payment provider, and you can add it from your Openpay account. Here you can see the Openpay account. Under the settings, you have an option of credentials API. From here you can add your merchant ID and secret key there. After this, we will go into the shop. We will add some products into cart. Now, while checking out, here we will click on checkout. Now, while checking out, you can see one option for Openpay. Click on Pay Now. Here, add all the details of your card. You can add your full name here, your card number, expiration date and year with security code. Click on Complete Payment. You can see the transaction is successful. Here you can see the sale order number. After continuing, here you will get thank you page with your order number. Now again in website, under configuration, in payment transactions, you can see the transaction history of your order. Here you can see the payment provider, payment method and amount. Here you can see that this payment is in confirmed state. Here you will find a sale order button. In here you can view your order history, the products, and in log note you will find the PDF and also how the transaction is confirmed. You can find the whole history in here. After that, in Openpay, you can see the order is updated. Here you can see the full details of the order. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.